All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the top 5 reasons to buy tools on the tool truck. All right, number 1 reason, service. You break something, you go, here, give me a new one. Case in point, this broke yesterday. I've texted my dealer, he's already got one ordered under warranty. Another thing, my Mac dealer watches my videos, and he saw my video on, me random topics around the shop, and he walked in with a button for my flashlight. That service, thanks John. That's the big thing about tool trucks, is that's their if you got bad service from a tool truck, you don't need to buy from them. That's really what they are there for, is to take care of you. A little bit of abuse, they still warranty it. Not always, but most of the time. Number 2, on the truck, financing. Now, it's technically 0% financing. Yes, the finance fee is built into the cost of the tool. Paying cash can get you cheaper, so if you pay cash, disregard this, try to get a better deal. But yes, they will sell you a tool and they will let you do weekly payments to pay it off. Really nice, especially getting into the business. Don't get into too much debt on the tool truck, just a warning. But it allows you to buy a tool over time that can help you make money. You can buy a ratchet, make some money with it, and pay for it. Now, everybody talks about how expensive tool truck tools are, and they are, not gonna lie. And part of that is because, well, let's be honest, a lot of technicians don't pay their bills. Tool trucks collecting or having to repo tools is a very common occurrence, so don't let that happen to you, for one thing. But they have to work into the cost of loss into the sale of their tools. So yes, other people are making these tools cost more for you. Sorry. Number 3, tool exclusives. This might be a design that was designed by that company and you can't buy it anywhere else. Like the Tech Angle torque wrenches, the Matco soldering tool, the Snap-on ball joint tool, the Snap-on scan tools. The exclusives you can only buy on the tool trucks. Nobody else makes them because nobody else can. Number 4, well, let's be honest, it's August, it's Georgia, they have air conditioning. Seriously though, it's a good opportunity to go stand in the truck, look at tools that you might need. Let the tool dealer show you some of the new stuff that's come out. Talk about your tool needs and help you make buying decisions. A tool dealer is there to help you make money. If you're 2 months into this business and he's trying to sell you a box like this, you got a bad tool dealer. If he's trying to help you make decisions on the best tools to buy, what order to buy them in, he's consulting with you. He's helping you make smart decisions on your tool purchases. That's something that a lot of young kids, part of the reason why I started this channel, make poor decisions. They go, oh, I need this big scan tool, even though I'm only doing oil changes. No, you need an oil light reset tool and sockets or torques. A good tool dealer will help you make those decisions, and when you start going sideways on where you're going with it, they can go, no, 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 no. You don't need that big toolbox. You need a roll cart. They can help you focus your buying strategy for what you need, not what you want. Because let's be honest, if you're in this business, you like tools. You like more tools. They can help you make those decisions that are smart and not make poor decisions. Makes decisions that are going to make you money, not cost you in the end. So they're a consultant. All right, number 5. And this is going to piss a few people off. Probably, say they're going to unsubscribe to me, etc., etc. But here's the secret. The tool dealers can help you build credit. Now, the truck credit does not count for anything as far as your credit rating. But a lot of young guys get into this business. They've got very little credit. They've got a bunch of student debt. And it's hard for them to go out and get a $5,000 credit card. And then if they actually, want to use it to buy tools or make a big purchase because they're to the point where they need a better scan tool or, whatever, you can do a small PSA, Snap-on credit loan on tools that are going to make you money that you can pay off, help build your credit. If you got a good dealer, he believes in you, he can go to bat for you and help you get credit. I know a lot of people are going to be pissed off about that, but it's a fact of life. You be responsible with credit, please. Please be responsible with credit. But we all got to start somewhere, and if you're already buying from the tool dealer, it's an option to help build credit. There's other options. Don't get me wrong, there are other options. There's other better options, but it is an option. So I know the last one's going to piss off a lot of people, and part of me just puts it in there to piss off people. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you're notified when I put out new videos. And I know there's going to be a bunch of people that are going to be pissed off the last one especially. Give me a thumbs down. It still helps my channel, so do it. Do it. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.